Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Matie Natov.
And my name is Horne.
Our project is an integrated branding solution for the design club here at CSUMB. It's called the Design Studio. We'd like to thank our advisors Kevin Cahill, Bobby Long, and all the members and officers of the Design Studio.
So the problem that the Design Studio is having is that they didn't really have a logo, so there was no real graphic identity to represent the club on campus. And they had no real website to function as a central location to offer information to students about upcoming events or meetings. And they didn't have any marketing materials that really effectively communicated what the club did to attract new members to join.
So as a solution, we created a new logo. It's complete with branding guidelines. It's the one you see there on the screen. We also designed and developed a website that serves as a social hub for design members and also members of the community so they all can talk to each other online. Also, we created an array of marketing materials so the club can promote itself on different platforms.
So throughout the entire process, we worked collaboratively with the club officers and club members to ensure that everyone was on track with where this project was headed and that it was best representing the club and where we wanted the club to be at the end of this project. We started with research and finding similar organizations and clubs to the Design Studio, and then created sketches of our design ideas. From there, we developed digital concepts that we were showing to the officers and members of the club and refining into further development of our final deliverables. And then also, we used those final designs with user testing to ensure that we were actually solving the problem that Design Studio had.
So our final project was applied on a pretty diverse array of materials. The logo got put into stickers that were handed out. It was turned into stationery and business cards for members of the Design Studio to hand out. Also on souvenirs such as t-shirts and water bottles and mugs, all to get the name out and word out about the Design Studio to attract new members. Also, the website is responsive, meaning it fits different screen sizes, so it works well on a browser, it works on a tablet, and it also works on your smartphone. So information is easily accessible.
So the tools we used in this project, especially with the visual design side, were the Adobe Creative Suite. We used InDesign to develop page layouts, Illustrator for graphic and illustration development, and Photoshop for editing images. In the web design portion of the project, we relied heavily on Drupal 7 to develop the site, and Adobe Dreamweaver to edit HTML and CSS. And to ensure that our print materials were done correctly, we worked really closely with a lot of print vendors in the local area.
So from this project, I learned how to develop a site in Drupal, which is a content management system that the club can easily update themselves. Also, I learned how to design and build a website so that it's integrated with users and content that they produce themselves. And I learned how to think outside the box and design in a way that's immersive and vibrant and creates engagement on the website.
And the key things that I took away from this project were how to creatively design under one set of branding guidelines for as long as we did. I think that's been the most challenging thing for me because I'm always thinking of new things and new designs that I want to try out, and with an effective branding guide, you have to stay focused on the one key branding identity. I also learned how to effectively design user interface that heightens user experience while they're using your online features. And also developing strong marketing strategies. Before this, I hadn't really done too much in the business side of school, and with Matie's help, we had some pretty good marketing strategies come together, as well as with the officers in the club.
So thank you all for listening to our presentation. If you'd like to come check out our website and also look at all of our print materials we have displayed, we will be in room 164. Thank you.